Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's see what we'll be expecting next on GBPUSD. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button to stay updated. Like, share, and make your comments. So let's see what GBPUSD would most likely do. As you can see, the trend clearly it is a bullish move, which means we are on an uptrend move. So if you take a look at this level here, there is a reaction. We are likely to get a reaction from this level. So if you have to now roll down to the 1 hour time frame, you would see that market actually has rejected from this level multiple times, right? We had that push up, the market eventually came back to retest it. We had that push up again. Market, this spike was due to the major news that was released today, the FOMC news. Reason why I should avoid trading the news. So it has now come back to test it. Our next movement is another movement again to the upside. Now, if there could be any change, there could be changes where the market will continue to drop. If there's going to be any changes to that, I will give you an update. But for now, this is exactly what I see. If there's going to be any changes to our bias, I'll give you guys an update. So subscribe.